This is a tote bag that came from Key Fob Goods. I have heard about them for a very long time now, and I finally made an order when they did their Labor Day sales. It took about almost a month to get here because they were busy with all the orders that they had from the sales. So the one I ordered was Avery Leather Tote bag with zipper under Slim Large Deluxe listing, which means it has extra pocket, I assume. And then I also added D-ring for the shoulder strap and the removable crossbody strap and the brass fit. All those addition cost extra $85, but I think it's worth it because it will be more versatile and hopefully it will last longer with the brass fit that the bag doesn't always touch the ground. The color I ordered for this bag was black on black. Since I have so many black outfits, I thought it would fit my wardrobe better. So first impression is the leather is really thick. Like you can see that they folded the bag when they ship, but it doesn't leave a crease, maybe because how thick the leather is. And the pebbling is amazing if you look closer. With the deluxe option, you also get this zipper closure, which you can open all the way and doesn't block your access to the inside of the bag. And it seems it has two slip pockets inside on each side of the bag. And it also comes with a key fob, which is great if you carry a bunch of keys, and it's a good way to secure your keys. So the zipper is kind of the detachable type, so you have to connect them together again when you want to zip it up. So since the leather is so thick, the bag definitely has some weight to it. So I'm glad that I added the removable strap. So hopefully that helps to reduce the weight carrying crossbody. This is how it looks on me when I put it on my shoulder. I think the length is quite good with the shoulder strap. Let's try on the crossbody. I set the strap at the shortest options, but it's still too long for me, so I will have to figure out if I can add more holes to the strap or something. First impression looking and handling this tote, I can tell the quality is exceptional. They are releasing some new colors soon, so I probably will get another one when those come out. Thanks for watching.